Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about the notification status bar in your tutorial in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. So first friends, let's open the settings. Here you have to first scroll down. Here it is notification. You have to go to that. Here are lots of things. There are app notification. You can enable and disable it from here. Notification history is there, and read reply control, you can enable that. Sensitive notification, show sensitive contact when locked, you can enable this also. Notification cooldown, how many minutes it hide silent notification in status bar, you can enable this. Allow notification snoozing, when there will be notification it will snooze your smartphone. Enhance notification, get suggested actions, replies and more, so you can just type over the top and reply someone. So this is the tutorial of this notification. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.